Hey travelers, it's your trusted travel girl, Valerie, and trust me when I tell you I just found the fastest way to get to Manhattan from any of the New York City airports. I just landed in JFK, and would you believe me if I told you I am going to be in Manhattan in 5 minutes? Yeah, if you've been to New York City, you know that's pretty much impossible, but I discovered Blade helicopters and I'm about to take them for the first time. You're gonna come with me. Let's go, let's see if we can do it. The driver just called me, we're gonna give him a call. He's been waiting on me since I landed, which is amazing service. Here he is, literally steps away from baggage claim. The deal is, you have to keep your luggage under 25 pounds, otherwise they'll ship it to your hotel or your destination. But I packed pretty light, so I think we're good. Woo! Right. Thanks, Lenny.
You're welcome.
You know, in this fast-paced digital world, time is such a commodity. It's something I'm sure you never feel you have enough of. It's something I never feel like I have enough of. So to be able to save so much time, whether it's a work trip or a vacation, is absolutely amazing. I think this is a pretty affordable luxury.
All right, so the helicopter's here, and we're gonna be ready for it.
Okay, right now?
Yeah.
Perfect.